Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Mr. Arnold's Learning Strategies GLE2O class. Today, we are talking about success, and more specifically, how you can measure your success. The first thing that you should do before every class starts is to go and measure that success so far. And the way that you do that is to go to classwork and look and see what's posted on the classwork page. On Friday, we discussed Google Classroom, and specifically a Google Classroom orientation and Google Classroom quiz that you did to learn exactly how to unlock the full power of Google Classroom to support your learning in this class. If you did not finish the quiz, please pause the video now and go back and finish the quiz. Great. If you have finished the quiz, then you can check your progress on the quiz, completion and marks by clicking under Google Classroom Help on the Google Classroom quiz, view assignment, and here it will tell you what your mark was out of 11. Remember, when you're done, to click Mark as Done, so it appears as done on your to-do list. Using the skills that we learned from the last class, return to the classwork stream and go up to the very top of the screen to see which are the new assignments for today. Click under Learning Skills and How will I measure my success? The very first task that you're asked to perform is to add the following learning goal to your thought book. There are a couple of steps necessary to be able to do that. First, I'm going to copy the text to add to my thought book by highlighting it and hitting Control and the letter C. Next, I'm going to go up to my thought book, open the link to my thought book, and paste the learning goal by hitting Control and the letter V. Another strategy that I'm going to perform is to give this unit a title, Learning Skills. I've taken simply from the classwork section. Now that I know that I have given a heading and I have placed my learning skill, my learning goal below, I'm going to read my learning skill or goal. I will be able to demonstrate an understanding of learning skills and strategies required for success in school. Now that I don't need my thought book, I'm going to clean my desktop up by clicking Close on my thought book, which I can come back to anytime at the very top of my classwork stream. Now, I'm going to go back to how will I measure my success, and I'm going to open up a Padlet. And this Padlet allows for us as a class to collaborate and share and build on what's called success criteria. There are 4 categories for measuring success in school. The first one being clear expectations, second being feedback, third being work completion, and the fourth being assessment. What we are looking at now is establishing clear expectations. For every strategy that we are going to learn in this class, there are several tools that you can use to support that strategy. For example, What we are doing now is co-creating success criteria. We're coming up with success criteria for an assignment together. This will better help us all understand what the expectations are and meet the criteria for success. And what we are using today to collaborate on building this success criteria is a tool called Padlet. So let's go over that one more time. Our strategy is called co-creating success criteria. The tool that we are using is called Padlet. And we are using Padlet to collaborate and to co-create success criteria. Good. As you can see, you have been invited to collaborate on this Padlet as well. So you can add your own thoughts simply by clicking the plus sign and then adding your thoughts below. If you don't want yours to show up, you can simply click this and delete your tile. Good. The second strategy under feedback is reading and responding. And we're talking specifically about reading and responding to comments in Google Docs. So our strategy is reading and responding. Our tool is Google Docs. Now, if you can think of the function in Google Docs that allows us to read and respond to feedback, please click on the plus sign and add that below. And again, if you don't wish to have that tile, click Delete Post. Third, work completion. The strategy is self-assessment and checklists and rubrics. The tool that we looked at specifically on Friday was Google Classroom. Answer the question below by clicking on the plus sign and adding a post to the column. Remember the different functions of Google Classroom and specifically where you can find out the work to do and the work that's been done. Also, how exactly do you turn work in on Google Classroom so it does not appear late or unfinished? Click on the plus sign to add a post below. Lastly, assessment. You're probably wondering where to find out your marks for this class. You're on the right track if you're thinking about marks and comments as a strategy. The tool to support this strategy that we are going to use in this class is called Schoology. Schoology is a space where you can check your marks and also send some feedback if you'd like. If you have never used Schoology before, you would click on this link to sign up for an account. Then you would choose Student, and you would copy and paste the following access code in this box and click Continue. If you have an existing account, you would click here to log in. You're going to enter your username and password. And within your account, once you're in your account, you would go to course dashboard, and you would join a course. If you have any questions about this, simply come and ask Mr. Arnold for some help. There's join course right there. Thanks for your time today. And again, if you need any help whatsoever, please ask Mr. Arnold. Talk to you soon.